This is Module 6, Lesson 2, titled Displaying a Data Distribution. The goal for this lesson is I can make and interpret a dot plot. As I go through these examples, if at any time you need to pause it or go back or watch the video again, please do so. And make sure you take good notes on your paper so that you have them for your exercises that you're going to try on your own. Example 1. This is Mia, a 6th grader at Roosevelt Middle School, was thinking about joining the middle school track team. She read that Olympic athletes have lower resting heart rates than most people. She wondered about her own heart rate and how it would compare to other students. Mia was interested in investigating the statistical question, what are the heart rates of students in my 6th grade class? Heart rates are expressed as beats per minute, or BPM. Mia knew her resting rate was 80 beats per minute. She asked her teacher if she could collect the heart rates of other students in her class. With the teacher's help, the other 6th graders in her class found their heart rates and reported them to Mia. The following numbers are the resting heart rates in beats per minute for the 22 other students in Mia's class. As you can see, that's a big list of numbers. In order to make the numbers less confusing to look at, what we can do is create something called a dot plot. It organizes our data, and then we can use that dot plot to answer questions about the data. I recommend that you guys get a piece of half-sheet scrap paper and draw this dot plot as we go so that you have enough room to make a nice, big, neat dot plot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a line towards the bottom of my paper. In reality, it's going to be a number line. And I want to start with my lowest value. So if I look through my data here, the lowest value is 79. Also, if I look through the data, the highest value is 90. And it looks like it includes a lot of data in between. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up by ones from 79 all the way to 90. I'm going to try to space them as evenly as possible. Now, what you're going to do is for each of those pieces of data, you're going to stack dots over those tick marks that represent those values. I like to put a little check mark above the piece of data so I know that I covered it, and I didn't count it twice. 89, 87. I want to try to keep my dots right across from each other as well. 85, 84, 90, 79, 83, 85. That's the first one that we have to stack. 86, 88, 84, 81, 88, 85, 2 83s, another 86, 82, another 83, 86, 82, and an 84. Now each dot represents a person who's organized and sorted by their heart rate. So we can say that one person had a a heart rate of 79 beats per minute. One person had a heart rate of 81 beats per minute. Two people had heart rates of 82 beats per minute, so on and so forth. What I would like you guys to do is to use that dot plot and answer questions 1 through 10 on the exercises. And then when you're finished, I'd like you guys to check yourselves using the answer key that's been provided.